That's a lot of room.
Yeah, basketball, that's about, that's close enough. All right, ready?
We got it.
Pitcher's ready, on guard.
First of the match. Till got a point? Okay. Oh, no he did. He didn't get a point. Round 2. Ooh, Tim kind of quick. Who's that? No point there?
They both hit each other at the same time. It's Sabres or something.
So no point. Tim down 1. Tim very athletic. That's why he has a fighting chance.
Yeah, you gotta be able to.
Ooh.
You gotta be able to move.
It's 2-0.
Come on, lead. You gotta shoot for him.
You got to stop and hold and then get through. Okay. So if the guy is moving, you got to make him swing and miss and then go get him. Okay. Don't stand still. That's a sure way to lose the point. Okay.
Move your feet.
Like the shuffle. Ready?
Like the shuffle. Tim was a little too eager.
It was him.
It was him. Yeah. Tim was a little too eager. You don't attack too much. You're down 3-0. Oh, Tim in the book with a point. How you feel, Tim? 3-1, 3-1. 3-2, it's a match. Let's go. 3-2, it's a match. We have a match. So what happened? 4-2. Tim is down. This man is an assassin. His nickname is the Assassin. We have the Assassin versus Kid Dragon. 4-2, the Assassin. Tim with a nice move. He's attack mode. 4-3. He says this is a comeback. Gotta change angles. So I can see him get popped. 4-3. Here we go, here we go. That was too quick for a game, Tim. Come on.